In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a site in Framer. Renaming your site is a small step that can make a big difference. It helps you stay organized, keeps your workspace clean, and makes it easier to find the right project, especially if you're working with a team or managing multiple sites. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact process from opening your dashboard to confirming the new name. First, make sure you're logged into your Framer account in your browser. Once you're in, go to your main Framer dashboard. This is the page where you see all of your projects or sites listed. If you're not already there, you can usually reach it by clicking the Framer logo or the projects or dashboard option in the main navigation bar at the top of the screen. Take a moment to scan through your projects and locate the specific site you want to rename. When you've found the site, move your mouse over its card or row in the list. You should see a small icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options menu, appear on or near that project. This icon is typically placed in the top right corner of the project card, or along the right side if your projects are listed in a table view. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear with several options related to that site. These options might include things like duplicating the project, moving it, deleting it, or changing settings. What you're looking for is the option labeled Rename. Click on Rename. As soon as you do this, Framer will open a small dialog or inline text field where the current name of your site is highlighted. This is where you can type in your new site name. Choose something clear and descriptive so that anyone looking at the dashboard can instantly understand what the site is for. For example, you might include the client name, the purpose of the site, or the version of the project. After you've typed in the new name, confirm the change. Usually, you can do this by pressing Enter on your keyboard or clicking a confirm or save button in the dialog, depending on how Framer is currently set up. Once it's confirmed, your dashboard will update and you'll see the new site